Thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over classic Amos Lee tune called Give It Up. If you haven't listened to Amos Lee before, I highly recommend you check him out. Fantastic singer-songwriter. This is from his first album from back in 2005. It's a really fun progression to play, so I'm excited to show you guys these chords and this rhythm. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's hop in. Alright, so for Amos Lee Give It Up, we've got some interesting chords here. We're going to break this down by section. So we're going to start with the intro of the verse here. Alright, so we're playing here, we are playing a E minor 7 and an A7 with an add 9. It's very, very cool. Alright, so for the E minor 7, we're going to have index finger on the 5th fret here of the G, or sorry, 5th fret of the D. Middle finger is on the 7th of the A, and ring is on the 7th of the G. And then you've got your pinky on the 8th of the B. Okay, and we're actually going to slide into this from 1 fret up. So everything just shifts up 1 fret. And you slide into that chord. And that's the rhythm as well with the right hand. So. Okay. And then from here we go to our A7. So that A7, barring that 5th fret there, middle finger is on the 6th of the G, and ring is on the 7th of the A, and we are going to hammer into that chord. Okay. And then the add 9 is your pinky finger here onto the 7th fret of the high E. Okay, so let's go ahead and play through that very slowly here. So that's your intro and your verse. You'll come back to that a lot throughout the song. It will take some getting used to, especially sliding in as you increase the speed, of course. See? Really, really cool piece. All right, so then we go to this next section here. Okay, so we've got a standard C here. And we're going to do a G, but you're going to play your G this way here. So our middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the A, ring is on the 3rd of the low E, and pinky is on the 3rd of the high E. And that's so you can add in this pinky here, or add in this index on the B. So. There we go to an A7, which is just your index finger here on 2nd fret of that D, and middle on 2nd fret of the B. So we're playing this A7, and then we're going to, then you're going to go to another version of A7, just to add in that high note there. So there we're just barring the 2nd fret here, starting with D string, and you're just adding your middle finger here to the 3rd fret of the E. So then we're going to do the same thing, but now we're just taking off our middle finger and back. Okay, I can play through that slowly. So at full speed, that one should sound similar to. And then from there you go right back into your verse. Okay, and now the last piece here, we have a C7 to B7 to a B minor over E. So that C7 here, so bar and 3rd fret, you've got your ring finger on the 5th fret here of the D and pinky on the 5th of the B. And you just shift that up one fret, so. Alright, that's your B7. And then your B minor over E, so you're again keeping that bar on the 2nd fret. Middle finger is on the 3rd of the B, and your ring finger here is on the 4th of the G. Alright, so we're just going. So you do that twice, and on the 3rd time, this B minor here, and then you're going to a G. So you go to that A7 again, and I think you're adding a 6th here. So again, that's just your 3rd fret here, that high E. And then ending on B7. Sorry. Alright, so let me play through that. Let me play through that part slowly. Alright guys, that is Give It Up by Amos Lee. I hope this helped you guys out. Please leave any feedback, comments below. See you guys again soon.